Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I got something different. As you can see, we got some PC parts, and let's just say this is really different. It's not no typical thrifting video with Lucho or whatever, soccer video. This is actually very different. We're getting on the technology side of things, and let me tell you a little bit on why I want to build a PC. The reason why I really want to build a PC is, one, my MacBook is it has the M1 chip, which is still doing pretty good, but I'm not gonna lie, it's sometimes the editing is getting really slow, so I kind of wanted to upgrade, and I didn't know if I should just get a better MacBook or if I should just get the computer Mac. But I thought one of the things I really always wanted to do was stream. So I was like, why not get a PC? Why not build a PC? And so that's what I'm gonna do. And my future goals is not only do the videos I'm doing now, but I also really want to stream. So that's kind of another reason why I want to build this PC. I hope you guys like this video. It's a little different, I understand that, but if you're not into the technology stuff, then I don't know what to say, man. And yeah, let's get into showing you guys what we got here. Alright guys, so I think we're gonna open up the PC case first and see how that's looking like. Dude, I honestly though feel like I've always done streaming. So, well, I did streaming in college, and honestly, it wasn't doing too bad for what I was doing. I was just playing FIFA and stuff, Rainbow Six Siege, if you know what that is. And I just like doing it. So if this is the lifestyle I want to live, bro, I might as well just go all out. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Probably should open it from the bottom, huh? Just slide it up. Damn, whatever. We're gonna see how to take this thing up. Damn, bro, they packaged this thing good. I ain't gonna lie. We got it out of the box. We got it out of the box. This is not returnable. Oh, and now this is the case, everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It comes with 6 fans. Yeah, man, this is a mid-tower PC. What we have to open next is actually the motherboard, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Look at this. I don't know why this thing came like this. I wonder if it's just something when they were delivering it or something, but it's kind of ridiculous, honestly. I looked at it and I was just like, did I buy this used? I know I didn't. I know I did not buy this used. But then I opened it and it looks fine. It looks pretty fine to me, so it's kind of weird. But yeah, guys, let's get into opening this up. It's probably the craziest way of doing this. Don't do it like this. Yeah, this is the motherboard. So now what we gotta do is open up our Intel 7. We got our CPU here. I went with the Intel 7, honestly, just because I was gonna go for the AMD, but it's kind of a better all-around CPU. I want the PC for streaming, making videos, and also editing. That was my biggest factor on this kind of stuff. So let's see. The only thing that I know that we have to do is, really guys, I'm not a professional at this, but I watched a lot of videos, I did my research. So really, we're both doing this together for our first time if you've never seen this or done this before. So I know we have to open this. Let me open this up. And then we're gonna open up our CPU, and we can't touch none of the bottom. So now I know that there's a little triangle on the corners. There should be a little triangle over here too somewhere. Place this in there. It should just fall in perfect. And then we're gonna close this up. There we go. This falls off. And boom, we got our CPU in. That's first step. The second part is, what's the second part? All right, so our next step is gonna be the RAM. And so the RAM, I got two 32 gigabyte RAMs. sticks, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I got, and so we're gonna put these in here now. So one thing I know is it says to put in slot 2 and 4. It's nice. We get a manual. We get shit, I don't even know what this is. This look like a sticker. Grab one of our RAM sticks. And actually mine are gonna be RGB, so that's actually pretty cool. There, 2 and 4, boom. We got our RAM sticks in, and on to the next step. Our next step is gonna be putting in the memory. So pretty much whatever you're gonna download things on. So now I need to get a little screwdriver so we can put this thing in. All right, so we got our little screwdriver that we need. Where'd I put my scissors, bro? I'm gonna actually unscrew this first. Screw this one. This actually gets inserted right here. Dude, this is so scary. It's like, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I do know what I'm doing. Does that make sense? There you go. And just latch it on. Perfect. We gotta take off the little tape under, and then we're gonna put this on. That should do it. And so now we got our memory in, and so on to the next thing, which I don't know what it is. We just kind of go on YouTube by YouTube video, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Cooler. We gotta put the cooler thing already. I don't think that's right, bro. I'm gonna keep it a stack. All right, this is where, I mean, now we gotta get our PC, and we're gonna put this on there. Shit. And there you go. Now we have that on there. Honestly, it's going pretty good, dude. It's going pretty good right now. It's going pretty good. Aaron. Yeah. Hey, I have a question. Do you remember when you put like the what is it called, like the liquid thing?
Yeah, the thermal paste.
Did you put it before you put your motherboard up, or did you put it when you put the motherboard up? No, yeah. But did you put the motherboard up first?
Oh, yeah.
And then you put the paste, and then you put the fan on it?
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, that's what I was asking. Alright. I'll call you if anything, wait. Alright. Later, wait. Hey, had to phone a friend. I didn't want to mess it up. Had to phone a friend, bro. I had to phone a friend. And now we just screw this in. Alright guys, we got our motherboard in, and now it's time to open up our CPU cooler. Oh, I think you slide this up. This music's pissing me off.
If the face is on the bottom, then the direction of the airflow.
Yo, this don't make sense. I think these are supposed to go from the top, but I have fans up here already. Hey, I need to phone a friend again, bro. So, look, I got mad fans in my shit. I got mad fans. So I gotta take these fans off so I can put this. This is gonna go like this, I think. Oh shit, chill. All right, everyone, so we got the fans off and we got the cooler in for the CPU. I don't know if you guys can really see, I'm trying to show you guys, but we got it in. Not only figure out which ones I have to connect now into this. Actually, it's probably not that hard to figure this out. I don't think this is too important right now. Actually, it might be. We'll figure it out right now. We'll figure out the connection stuff part right now. But now we gotta put this onto the CPU. After, oh my God, after a little bit, I finally got this on. So we're gonna put these on now. Oh, fuck, you're lying. And that shit actually came off, what the fuck? So we got that on, so that looks good now. So if you guys couldn't tell what we were putting on this thing right here, which is gonna be our CPU cooler. But now on to the next step.
Then you can plug in your AIO cable into.
Well, I don't know. I've just been messing with the cables. I think I got the cables for this part done. The ARGB, I'm not gonna lie, bro. If I bent that, I'm cooked, bro. Like, it was going in, but like it just like, bro, like what the fuck, bro, you know? And I'm pretty sure I did it right. So hopefully those aren't bent. But if they are, I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. The power supply. yeah, we'll go from there. And this box also came hella like destroyed, which was kind of weird, but it is sealed. So here we got our power supply. Looks like cables. Holy crap! I'm gonna, once we got this in, I'll show you guys. Once we got it all cabled up, and yeah, yeah, I have a hoodie on. You might be asking like, why do you all of a sudden have a hoodie on? This cable was not in my power supply box. I just noticed. Well, I didn't just notice. That was kind of weird that my motherboard and my power supply were like kind of messed up. And I was looking through the box. I'm like, wait, power supply. That has to be like what goes into the wall, right? I look it up. It is. Indeed, it was. And so this cable was not in there. It is currently 10:49. And I went to Walmart, bro. I dead ass went to Walmart at 10:49. That's crazy. And I had to buy this. But I was pretty mad, bro. I was like, are you serious? Amazon? Come on. What is that? But now, let's get back to this, bro.
On a daily basis, I'm asked, where does...
And we'll put that one in.
Alright, everyone. So, I can't really show this, but I got it connected. And there's a couple cables that I don't need because I'm not going to use hard drives on here. So I don't think I'm going to need that. But my GPU doesn't come in until tomorrow. So the extra cables that are in here are for the GPU, I'm pretty sure. So that means we're going to have to finish this up tomorrow or Wednesday. So yeah, we'll see you guys then. Word to my dad. You feel me? Word to bro. Okay, guys, GPU came in. So we're on day 2 of building this PC. So let's get this unboxed, and I'm just ready to get this in here. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh, okay. I figured out what I have to do, and I think I'm just gonna install this, and then I'll just show you guys after, because low-key, I don't want to mess this up. So I'll show you guys when I get this in. Alright, as you guys can see, we got it in. We got the GPU in, and now we just got to get the cords on. PCIe. Alright, so we've got it all in, and dude, honestly, I have like really low expectations on a lot of this. I have so many cords that I feel like I need to plug in still. So I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna look up a video and see what all these cables go to. Alright, everyone, so I got all the wiring done. One of my boys helped me out with this. Shout out my boy Hector. And we should turn on the power supply, and it should turn on now. Let's see. And success, bro. Holy. These things are on. Oh, I just need to mess with the RGB right here. Other than that, yeah, I'm gonna plug the monitor in. My homie's gonna help me set it all up. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much done with the building part of the PC. And yeah, I'll see you guys when I put the monitor on. Alright, I'm gonna turn this shit on.
Start spamming delete on your keyboard where it says delete. Look.
Oh, I don't even know if this one has a delete.
I try to find something that says, it says, let me see, show me more.
Alright, everyone, we got it running. Oh shit, who am I calling? That's not who I meant to call. And now I have to go download the Windows 11 or whatever I'm gonna get on this. So this is gonna be the setup right here. This is gonna be the setup. We got the TV up here. I'm gonna try to get another monitor. Not for technology. Alright, guys, so I'm not even gonna lie. This is no cap. I dead ass like took me forever to like download my Windows, but it's because I was doing it on my Mac. And on my Mac, it was being hella stupid. And so it took me like all yesterday to do it, and it just wasn't working. So today I tried it on my mom's computer, and it worked. Literally took me 30 minutes to do. Downloaded Windows 11 and it worked. 30 minutes, bro. I'm so mad. I was so furious that I sort of got a whole shift. Took me like 8 hours to do, bro. I couldn't figure it out. But we got it now. We got it all set up here. Well, I gotta set it up actually. I gotta set up all the windows and stuff. So I'm gonna do that, and then I don't know where the next clip's gonna be, where it's gonna be at, where I'm gonna be, but we'll see. And we are in. Nice. So we got into the PC, download Windows. Only thing I have to do now is download the drivers and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, we'll see what happens from there. Bro, we literally had to go hood method. Look at this, guys. Hood method. But only because for some reason my Wi-Fi didn't want to like download the driver, so I had to connect it to the internet, and I was not about to move my whole like router box to my room. So now I have it like this. It's installing. All my stuff are installing, and hopefully we can get it back into my room. All right, everyone. So as you guys can see, we've got changed the wallpaper. We got all our stuff downloaded. That was the setup of my new PC, and this video is probably going to be edited on this PC actually. And let's just see how this PC did on the editing part, because that's kind of what's pretty important for me right now. And just know hella content coming, because I want to do like, if you want to be on an E-date, I'm trying to do an E-date. I'm trying to do creative things. I got a lot of things in mind, but E-date is one of them. So if you're watching this and you want to be on an E-date, you know, get to meet people, let me know. Let me know. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Lucho is out.
Come back to me. Just say you're working on yourself and you touching someone else, baby. Why you lie to me? Yeah, you ain't good over my health. I'm just trying to run my love, baby. Come back to me. All the time you standing on that.
Bye, Lucho.